Official statistics indicate that most of the field workers in the FCT are from the Department of Parks and Recreation and the Abuja Environmental Protection Board. It is against this background that the Department of Reforms Coordination and Service Improvement is engaging these field workers on how to reduce hazards in their various workplaces. Declaring the workshop open, Acting Director of Human Resource Management of the FCTA Administration, Ikinobi Oguniran, notes that the program is critical to ensuring efficiency in the system.
The participants, I want them to take this program very seriously because not everything we should be taken casually. See the woman frying anything at a place or somebody sleeping, and they think it does just something that cannot really harm them. They might have long-term effects. So I believe all the participants of this program will also be our ambassadors to also tell their colleagues, neighbors, and all those involved in the hazardous jobs to see how much risk they expose themselves to and the hazards while doing their jobs.
When you come to work, just try as much as possible to live up to your responsibility, perform your duties, and when you're having challenges, cry out for help.
This sensitization workshop is the maiden edition, which stakeholders say will be sustained across FCTA secretariats, departments, and agencies. Onoze Yakubu, NTA News.